The other thing that you can do is reason out with the information. If you find it difficult to forgive, if you find it difficult to move on from where you are, if your memories are troubling you, the thing you can do is reason out. Try to understand why the information is troubling you. Try to understand why you are not able to forget. At times, if you are a person who looks for answers, who cannot move forward without understanding, the way out for you is to understand why things are not working for you. And when you are able to understand the reason behind, you will be able to move forward by looking at or doing things that actually help you out forget this information. One of the ways you can do to reason out is ask why. It is implemented at many places, even in the corporate circle, that you ask 8 times why, and you will be able to get to the detail or the root of that particular issue. So the way to do it would be to ask why you are not able to forget. You will get some answer. Ask again why, and keep asking why till you ask 8 or 9 times, and by the time you will ask 8 to 9 times, you will be able to get the answer. Now it depends on what kind of answer you are giving. You may not be able to get answers when you ask why straight away. You may have to spend time with yourself, so please be patient. Do not rush up. It is important that you get the right answers from inside. The other way you can reason out the information is try to analyze the information. Try to analyze why you are not able to forget. In order to understand better, you can look at it from other person's perspective. You might be looking at things from your own perspective, and that is why you are not able to see the exact details. If you try to look from other person's perspective, you will be able to understand certain things which you are missing otherwise. So try looking at other person's perspective. Another method that you can apply for analyzing the information is to try to look at different situations, different people, circumstances around you. At times we relate everything with the outcome and the actions or responses from people around us or a particular person. But we fail to understand there might be certain situations, the circumstances that contributed to that person reacting or responding to the way they did. It may not be an outcome of your action. You may not be the person who caused that response that is troubling you. So try to understand different situations, different perspective, and that should help you get some information, some answers that will help you move forward. So now when you have analyzed the information from different perspective, now that you have asked why, now you try to understand the other situation as well or circumstances. The response that you have, validate that. When you are able to validate that information, you will see that the acceptance that will help you forget the memory.
But before that, just remember, if you are a person who needs to find answer, no matter what happens, without finding answer you cannot move forward, then revisiting is something that will help you, or reasoning out, understanding why you feel in a certain way when you talk about a certain memory. Don't go by a quick response from your brain the moment I ask you, oh, are you a rational person? Do you need to really understand why something works or how something works before you feel comfortable and move forward? You might quickly say yes. But for any approach to happen, for any path for you to take, you need to understand the pros and cons of that approach. Are you ready to pay that price? Reasoning out can help you, but are you ready to take the pain that will come with revisiting or when you try to understand it? If you're not, then I will not suggest you.